Hey guys, struggling with stubborn corks every time you open a bottle of wine? Today we're counting down the top 5 best electric wine bottle openers under $20, tested for speed, power, and how long that battery actually lasts. Stick around because the winner might just become your new favorite bar tool. Let's get started.
Product number 5.
Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the Creative Wine Opener Manual Bottle Opener and Corkscrew. Now this one's a little different from the rest of our list today. It's manual, not electric, but it earns its spot for being an incredibly affordable and reliable backup tool for any kitchen. Built with a sturdy corkscrew design, it's made to handle sparkling wine and standard corks alike without needing a single battery. For just over $10, you're getting a compact, no-fuss opener that's perfect for anyone who wants a dependable manual option sitting in a drawer for when the power runs out on their electric one. It's lightweight, easy to grip, and built from solid materials that hold up to repeated use. While it doesn't have the flashy automatic function of the openers higher on this list, it's a great budget pick if you're looking for something simple that just works every single time. For under $11, it's hard to go wrong with this classic kitchen accessory rounding out our number 5 spot.
Product number 4.
Moving up to number 4, we have the 5-in-1 electric wine opener with base, and this one packs a serious punch for the price. Priced at $13.81, this battery-operated automatic opener comes with a charging base that keeps everything organized and ready to go, making it perfect for weddings, parties, or everyday use at home. The standout here is how effortless the whole process is. The automatic corkscrew glides the cork out with almost no effort on your part. Built from high-quality, durable plastic, it's designed to survive repeated use without wearing down. Under the hood, it's got a genuinely powerful motor that chews through even the most stubborn corks with ease, so you're not left wrestling with a bottle at the dinner table. At just 8.86 by 1.77 inches, it's compact enough to sit neatly on any counter or bar cart. But here's the real bonus. This is a 5-in-1 tool. Along with the corkscrew, you get a wine pourer, a foil cutter, and a vacuum plug, turning this into a complete wine accessory kit for less than $14. That combination of power, durability, and bonus tools is exactly why it lands at number 4 on our list today.
Product number 3.
At number 3, we've got the HAOYUNMA new electric wine opener, a fully automatic USB rechargeable pick priced at $15.42. This one is all about convenience. With true one-touch operation, this opener removes corks automatically the moment you press the button, making it ideal for anyone who wants zero effort at the dinner table or during a party. What really sets it apart is the built-in USB rechargeable battery. No more buying disposable batteries, just plug it in and it's ready for dozens of bottles on a single charge. It comes in 2 stylish finishes, black and wine red, so it actually looks good sitting out on your kitchen counter or bar. And despite all that power, it's incredibly compact and lightweight, measuring just 23 by 7 by 6 centimeters and weighing only 0.3 kilograms, so it's easy to store in a drawer or toss in a bag for travel. It's also CE certified, meeting European safety standards, so you know you're getting a reliable, well-built product and not just a cheap knockoff. Portable, rechargeable, and safety certified. That's why the HAOYUNMA opener takes the number 3 spot on our countdown today.
Product number 2.
Coming in at number 2, this automatic electric wine and beer bottle opener is one of the most versatile picks on our list, priced at $18.60. And get this, it was originally listed at nearly $40, so you're getting a massive 53% discount here. What makes this one stand out is its dual functionality. It's not just a wine opener, it also works as a beer cap opener, making it a true multi-purpose bar tool for anyone who entertains regularly. Fully automatic, it handles the cork removal process with the simple push of a button, saving you time and effort, whether you're prepping for a dinner party or just relaxing after a long day. Its compact, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to operate one-handed, and it's built to deliver consistent, reliable performance bottle after bottle. For under $20, having both a wine opener and a beer opener in one sleek device is a huge value add, and that versatility is exactly why this one lands in our number 2 spot today.
Product number 1.
And now, taking the crown at number 1, the 2025 new portable electric wine opener from HAOYUNMA, priced at $19.73. This is the most advanced pick on our list, and it earns the top spot for good reason. It features a sleek, compact 35mm diameter design that looks modern and premium, blending seamlessly into any kitchen or bar setup. What really pushes this one ahead of the competition is the Type-C rechargeable power system. Fast, convenient charging with absolutely no batteries required. Just plug it in and you're ready to open bottle after bottle, hassle-free. The automatic cork removal technology does all the work for you, efficiently pulling out corks with a single button press, making wine service completely effortless, whether you're at home or hosting a party. It's also incredibly lightweight, weighing just 0.35 kilograms with a compact footprint of 20 by 5 by 5 centimeters that tucks away easily in any drawer. And it comes in 2 elegant finishes, dark gray and silver, so it looks as good as it performs. Combining modern design, fast charging, and reliable automatic performance, this is our number 1 pick for the best electric wine bottle opener under $20 in 2026. And that wraps up our top 5 best electric wine bottle openers under $20. If you're looking to grab your favorite pick from today's list, check the link in the description below. Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more budget-friendly product picks. See you in the next one.